Raising just is started with Magical Bell. Break quickly restart. Rushing Aparia. Zareno diving through the ladies. Forest all. The next online is Donya. Nekasha. All the time comes next, then followed now by a Stronghold, and going along for the person we have Boris All by about 4 lengths, Magical Well in second, and in third comes Donya Nikasha. Running by the release, I Am Alert, is Stronghold comes next all the time, isa pa, Santa Fe, Nobody What You second less, while Amazon is racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Boris All is still in control, leads by about 5 lengths, and in second is I Am Alert, is Stronghold, Magical Well, Donya Nikasha, all the time, isa pa, Santa Fe, Nobody But You, while Amazon is still in less, and at the 14 we have Boris All by about 2 lengths, I Am Alert now in second, coming closer in third all the time, isa pa, now arriving at the scene, and as they swing for home, Boris All, I Am Alert, all the time, isa pa, now moving up on the outside, last 100 meters, we have I Am Alert, isa pa, moves up, and finally, it's isa pa, I Am Alert, Santa Fe, then comes Boris all the time, Nobody But You, Donya Nikasha, Magical Bell, and Stronghold.